Hi, this is Google's Omni Flash video mode. What do you think of it?
Google just added Omni Flash to Google Flow, and this is a game changer for video creation. You can now prompt for AI videos and images in so many different ways. The best part is you can upload videos and make edits, add objects, remove things, and even change entire environments while keeping the character movement intact. Let me show you everything you need to know. Google Omni Flash is Google's latest video AI model that works directly inside Google Flow. You can prompt for AI art and videos using text, images, or even upload your own videos to modify them. The key feature here is the agent system. You can set up an agent in your project and speak to it as you create. You build videos, characters, and images all in one place and reference them together. The smart part is you can add pre-context instructions to your agent. If you want all your generations to match a certain product, brand, color pattern, or style, you just add these as instructions once. This makes every prompt faster and ensures consistent results every time. The video editing features are incredibly powerful. You can add new objects to videos by just chatting with the agent. Upload a video you created or bring in your own footage, then prompt to add new objects into the scene.
It is such a beautiful day out here. I'm so glad you could join me. We make quite the team.
You can also modify and change things in the scene or remove elements completely. For example, you could remove unwanted objects like cars from a background while keeping everything else intact. One of the coolest features is changing the environment while maintaining character motion. If you have a video of someone moving through a location, you can completely change the background and environment. The character movement stays the same but adjusts perfectly to fit the new environment. All of this happens just by chatting to the agent in your Google Flow project. You do not need to write complex prompts or understand technical details. You just talk to it like you are working with a creative partner. One of the biggest new additions is the character creation system. You are not just making a static image of a character and reusing it over and over, you are actually creating the backend of the character. You describe how the character looks, but also how they act, how they behave, and different personality elements. When you reference this character in any video or scene, it brings all those characteristics with it automatically. You can describe a character completely. Maybe they wear certain clothes, they have specific mannerisms, or they always carry certain objects. When you use this character in any prompt or scene, it matches the character description every time. You do not need to keep re-prompting the same details. The character just stays consistent because that is what is in their character background.
Excuse me, buddy.
Is that pepperoni pizza any good?
Honestly, it's very good. Want a slice?
You can also combine characters. If you have created multiple characters, you can reference them both in the same prompt and have them interact with each other. This makes it way easier to create scenes with multiple people that feel natural. You can also select the voice for each character, which gives them a consistent voice throughout all the generations you make.
This pizza is so good, it is definitely a slice of heaven.
That is the worst pun I have ever heard, Nadim.
One of the most exciting elements of Google Flow is a section called Tools. This feature takes creative coding to a whole new level. You can create custom tools using prompts to help with your video creation. There are already pre-made tools created by others like color palette generators, filters, scene comparison tools, and drawing tools you can use. But here is the really cool part. You can also create your own tools because Gemini is linked directly into Google Flow. If you need a specific tool that does not exist, you just describe what you want in a prompt. For example, if you want lower thirds for your videos, you just tell the tool what you need. The tool is live coded right in front of you. You can use it like an app and then publish it. You upload a video, select your lower third, and it creates it automatically. You can keep iterating and changing it before making it public. Google Omni Flash in Google Flow is a genuine game changer for video creators. You can create professional quality videos with AI assistants without needing separate tools or complicated workflows. Everything is in one place, and the agent system makes the entire process faster and more intuitive. Have you tried Google Omni Flash yet? Let me know in the comments what you think. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI tools and creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.